How do you protect a castle from unauthorized access? You protect every gate. The main entrance, the side ones, the hidden paths, even the ones no one thinks about. Because the real risk is not the gate you see, but the one you don't protect. Airspace defense works in a similar way. Today, detecting unauthorized access and users relies on multiple systems such as radar, RF sensors, optical, and acoustic solutions. Each of these provides part of the picture, but none covers everything. And that's where the challenge begins. Drones that are non-cooperative don't broadcast identification. They try to avoid detection, so they can operate in ways that create blind spots across the airspace. One of these blind spots that already exists almost everywhere, the cellular network. Drones communicating via cellular networks are practically invisible to RF scanners, as they are hiding in the cellular spectrum. With AirborneAI, however, advanced signal analytics are happening within the network. It detects drones through their connectivity patterns by identifying airborne devices, analyzing signal behavior, and enabling real-time localization, even in environments where traditional sensors have limited visibility. This makes it possible to detect non-cooperative drones also in 4G/5G networks, localize them using existing infrastructure, identify airborne devices with cellular-based modems, and integrate this data into broader multi-sensor security architectures. AirborneAI does not replace existing detection systems, but complements them by adding a new layer of awareness and closing critical gaps in airspace visibility. Because securing airspace works the same way as securing a castle. You don't rely on a single gate, you protect all of them. For more information about AirborneAI, visit our website.